Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook moringa soup. Start by washing leaves and preparing aromatics like onions, garlic, and ginger before heating your pot. Sauté aromatics in oil until fragrant, then add broth, vegetables, and simmer until tender. Stir in moringa leaves near the end to preserve nutrients and bright color, then season with salt, pepper, and a splash of lemon to brighten the soup. Gather ingredients and prep everything for a smooth cooking flow. Rinse moringa leaves, dice onions, mince garlic and ginger, and chop vegetables into even pieces. Use a medium pot and warm your oil before adding aromatics, which helps release their flavor. Keep broth heated separately to speed simmering, and measure your salt and lemon so you can adjust seasoning quickly. This prep saves time and ensures even cooking of all components. Begin by sautéing onions, garlic, and ginger until soft and fragrant. This builds the soup's base flavor. Pour in warm broth and add hearty vegetables, then simmer until they are fork tender, which usually takes 10 to 20 minutes depending on size. Add delicate moringa leaves during the final few minutes, allowing them to wilt without overcooking, and finish with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon for balance. Serve immediately while warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.